Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Smart and I'm your teacher, and I'll be teaching you different question and answer in this question and answer series by Class Theta. So our today's question which we'll be discussing is how do you change the status of a project to be done in QuickBooks Online Accountant. So the answer of the question is, as of my last update, so the answer of the question is you can still track the status of a project using certain workarounds. Here are suggested method. Use the project feature. So if you have an access to the project feature in QuickBooks Online Accountant, you can create a project for each task or client project you want to track within the project. You can add transaction, note the attachment related to that project. Once a project is completed, you can manually mark it as done or completed within the project details. Another option we have is create custom fields. Some users may have access to custom fields in QuickBooks Online Accountant. If you have this feature, you can create a custom field for project to indicate their status. You can add this custom field to the project details screen and update the status accordingly. So option 3 is use the notes or tags. If neither of the above option is available, you can use the note field within each client's record to manually enter the date and update the status of a project. Alternatively, you can add the tags to client to categorize them on their status. So some of the other answer your part is use external project management tools. If your project tracking needs more complex, you might consider using external project management tool like Trello, Asana or Monday.com. These tools allows you to manage the task and project more comprehensively and integrate with QuickBooks Online using third-party apps. Remember that the QuickBooks Online Accountant primarily focus on accounting and bookkeeping functions. While it has some basics project tracking feature, they may not be robust or dedicated project tools. Since software features may change over time, I recommend checking the latest documentation or update from QuickBooks Accounting to see if there is any improvement or new feature related to the project tracking. So that's the answer. If you have any other question, just write it down and I will